How to check if someone logged into your Messenger account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Messenger to the latest version. Then open up Messenger on a device. Now tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on settings. Again scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on account center. Now tap on password and security. Now tap on where you are logged in. Now select a Messenger account. Now on this page you can find all of the login device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.